look quick there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Turned out to be a pretty nice day out today.
Yes,
you
it
know?
did.
Man, I
Yes,
just
it
kind of
did.
wonder, you know. Hey, hi Dan, how you doing? In the big city of Spokane, we like to find that down-home feeling. We like to fuel up at SaveWay truck stop. From big rigs, industrial machinery, to your passenger cars, make your next stop at SaveWay truck stop for on and off-road diesel, ethanol-free unleaded fuel, propane, motor oil, kerosene, and for commercial vehicle drivers, they have driver's lounge, satellite fueling, showers, and hot coffee just waiting up ahead to keep those big wheels rolling on down the highway.